Okay na po? Nakapag-upload na po lahat? Alright, perfect. For our last presentation from PhilSA, i-discuss ko naman po kung paano mag-request ng satellite images or satellite-derived product from PhilSA. So we call this the DALOY or Data Allocation and Operational Information. This is not under my division. So this is being handled by the Space Mission Control and Operations Division under the Space Information Infrastructure Bureau. Before that, magkonti tayong icebreaker. Alright? So right now, meron tayong dalawang type ng satellites, di ba? So we have the optical as well as the radar. No need to discuss them anymore. So from these satellites, we can produce a wide range of outputs. So we have the land surface temperature, land cover, flood extent, oil spill, and even yung mga raw images. So for this icebreaker, i-pick natin yung satellite that best fulfills each order. Maglalagay po ako ng order, then match the choice to the right product or mission, and let's discover how each satellite serves a different Earth observation need. So first, ang order ko is the all-weather. I need an imagery even during typhoons. Clouds don't stop my mission. Ano po yung pipiliin nating satellite? Alright, perfect. Galit na galit? Gigil na gigil. Thank you for that. So, next, for green and healthy combo, I want to monitor crop health and vegetation every few days at medium to high resolution. Ano po yung gusto natin? Anong pwede nating piliin? Sentinel-2? Sentinel-2 lang ba? 2A, 2B, yes po. Actually, dalawa. Meron po, pwede rin po si PlanetScope. So si PlanetScope is around 3.7 na meter resolution. And meron din po siya RGB and up to NIR. So using NIR, diba, and red band, we can calculate the NDVI. Next.
So yung sa next po, please raise your hand kasi may prize pa kami. Yung mauna po.
Okay, may price pa pala. Thank you, sir. I want to monitor land surface temperature trends across the entire country every day. Si sir? No Bazaar? No.
No? No, Bazaar? Yes, sir.
No Bazaar?
Modis?
Modis? Perfect po, sir.
Yeah.
So si Modis,
Yung ano muna.
ang data niya is everyday. Si Landsat, meron din na land surface temperature na band, pero every 16 days si Landsat. Next, I need to see roads, vehicles, and building layouts for urban planning.
Taas kamay.
Roads, vehicles, and building layouts.
Yes,
Exactly, sir. Bakit si Black Sky? Pwede rin ComSat. Bakit po si Black Sky ulit, sir? High resolution po si Black Sky, no? Okay. Alright, next.
Patch na.
Next tayo. I want to observe city lights and power outages at night. Si sir po sa dulo? No ba? Hindi po. Si ma'am?
Si ma'am.
Beers. So,
Yes.
Beers, ito po yung mga night light images natin.
Pick up ka na ba, ma'am?
Commonly po, ito po yung
Ayun,
ginagamit to determine economic activity. So, bale, satellite images po to during the night. So, I need to map flooded areas even when it's cloudy. Si sir. Sentinel-1A? Yun lang po ba, sir? 1A, 1B, okay po? Yun lang po ba?
Dapat complete yata. Yan.
Ano po yung normally na ginagamit natin for flooding? Optical or SAR? Optical.
Buddy?
Si Sentinel-1 po ba, ano siya, sir? Optical or SAR? Okay po. Ano po yung other SAR dito? Novasar.
Sige, bigyan natin yung cap since active
So,
naman.
we can
Sir Sir
use
si
two.
Rina. Yan.
So
Thank
again,
you so much.
na-discuss ko po to during first day, si Novasar po, we partially own Novasar. Okay? I want to monitor land use changes over decades. Over decades. Landsat po. Wala na tayong prices. Anong year po nag-start si Landsat? 1972 si Landsat 1. Okay? So, again, meron tayong different available satellite images and depende sa needs natin, we need to identify kung saan natin ano yung pagkukunin natin na satellite. So, si Daloy is an operation that aims to streamline activities related to data which include distribution, consultations, and management of space data. So, according to our citizen science, so we have around 20 days to comply with the request. So, yung request po, it can either be a request for satellite image that includes high-resolution satellite image. Currently, si PhilSA po is nakasubscribe to commercial satellite called Black Sky with a resolution of around 0.3 meter per pixel po. Then, other than that, again, we can request for satellite-derived products. So right now we have mangrove maps of the entire country, LST, vegetation indices, and so on, canopy height maps. We produce that, land cover map, and so on. Then, yung request po for a brief, for around i-assess po and i-clarify po yan with the client. Then, i-check po namin yung feasibility nung request. Then, kung feasible naman po, inform po namin yung client. Then, during that time, ipe-prepare na rin po yung request. And during preparation, we'll ask the requester to sign the end-user license agreement. So, ang ano lang po naman nito is hindi gagamitin for commercial purposes. For non-commercial lang po. Then, during that, pag nabigay na po yung signed EULA, pwede na po naming ibigay yung data. Then, we will also request for the feedback. Again, so we have the sovereign satellites, Diwata 2, and we partially own Novasar 1. Ito po yung mga open access na satellite images. We have SOMI NPP, Sentinel-3, Sentinel-5, yung Prisma and Nmap. These are hyperspectral satellite images that are also free. Then, we cannot sa disaster charter activated, unfortunately, we can only provide these derived product like flood extent maps kasi pumipirma rin po kami ng EULA with these members. And again, for commercial, meron po tayong high resolution images, currently Black Sky po. So, who can request? Pwede po yung mga public research and development institutions like schools and universities, national and local government agencies and units, and even private entities via collaboration with public institutions. In short po, anyone can request. So, paano po mag-request? You can scan the QR code to access the Daloy request form, or pwede nyo rin po i-email si smcod@philsa.gov.ph. So, ang tanong naman ngayon is paano po mag-request? You can just send a formal request endorsed by agency or unit head to smcod@philsa.gov.ph. Then, pwede nyo rin po i-CCC SIIB@philsa.gov.ph. Then, address the request to Dr. Reynabel C. Reyes. She is currently our officer in charge for SIIB. Then, kailangan po namin ng mga following details sa request, yung area of interest, yung date of capture, bakit po kailangan yon? I-check po namin kung merong available na image over that area of interest, yung type of data, ano po ba siya, mangrove, land cover, LST, and so on. Then, quick na explanation lang po ng purpose. So again, you can request archive images currently in PILSA or in ASTI. Yung mga old images po ito. Ang data preparation po, around 10 working days. Then kapag satellite tasking, when we say satellite tasking, let's say sa Novastar 1, kapag dumaan sa Pilipinas, itong particular na AOI, ika-capture niya ng image. Around 30 working days po to comply with the request kasi marami pong pinagdadaanan yon. Tapos hihintayin pa rin po yung satellite na dumaan dun sa area of interest nyo. Kaya medyo matagal po. Yung derived data naman po at least 20 days, pero on experience, less than 5 days naman po ito. I can speak for the derived data kasi sa akin po dumadaan lahat ng yan. Within less than 5 days, unless sobrang dami ng request, medyo lumalagpas po. Pero hindi naman naabot ng 20 days. That's what I'm sure of. Again, kailangan po mag-sign ng end user license agreement. Our data use policy will be governed by EULA to ensure proper usage and compliance with legal standards. Ito lang po, ang important thing to note lang here is that kailangan po plantilla po yung magsasign ng EULA. Kahit isa lang po per day organization. Then how to receive, mostly po cloud sharing. Unless you want to go to our office, then magdala po kayo ng USB or HDD, that's okay. Normally po sa mga malalaking file, may mga times na 60 gigabytes yung nire-request sa amin na LiDAR date na mabibigat na mga orthomosaics using drone. So, yung iba pumupunta po talaga sa office to copy the data. Okay po, maraming salamat.